All right, welcome to Casa de Malouff, day number 49. Jason Witten actually wore 49 his rookie year during preseason practice or whatever it is, whatever. So anyways, we're putting in the big truck today. We actually have all the material for the shed. So that's all the material for the shed, and they're gonna take out all the trash. They painted the house, or pre-painted part of the house yesterday. Yeah, looks good. Whoops! I tripped over the rock. They paint this side of the house. Yeah, they painted the house, painted up there. All right, they painted the house white. Let's step back and see how it looks. For those of you wondering, here in Texas it gets 100 degrees today, and I'm wearing long sleeves. Gotta have it. Less than 100 is a cold front. So that's what it's gonna be like. We gotta see, I think they're gonna paint the garage white. So then the trim's gonna be black, all the green's gonna be black. So the garage door might be white, but I don't think it's white right now. And the car house, they're gonna make the car house white. So things are cleaned up here. Look at this, car house is almost empty. Almost got room for the car, for the van. Let's see what we got inside here. What'd they do? Nothing. They didn't do nothing in here. Oh my God. Oh, the kitchen cabinets are built. Automatic close, okay. By the way, the handles are gonna be black handles on the, oops, don't step on the tile. The handles are going to be black handles on that, so it matches. So all the GFIs are put in. That one was supposed to be switched out. I could change that later, this guy. Let's see, they change out the GFI over there. They put the bathroom, the light switches in the bedroom. Yep. So every switch in the rooms have the USB and plug. So every room has that. All the switches have been changed out. Nice. Now the bathroom, the spare bathroom, they did the tile. Let me walk around here. Spin it on, and the tile is complete. So everything is done here. Now I just got to worry about the trimming, finalize caulking, put the glass door in. So they're working on that. That'll be done this weekend. But today I'm going out of town, so your next day 50 will actually be on Monday. So day 50 will be Monday. And we'll see what progress they've made between now and Monday. All right, this may be my only video for today. I have a lot of other things to do today. So we're gonna leave these guys and let them do their thing. They're gonna offload the material for the shed. They're gonna work on the shed later, I think over the weekend, Saturday. And they're gonna take all this trash out. And throw it in the dumpster. Oops, throw it in the dumpster there. So all this goes. All right, so I'm keeping all of these extras because I'm gonna do some other stuff around the base, around the trim of the house. Keep the rodent, try to keep the rodents out. So anyways, all right, that's it for now. Wait a minute, is that the, oh, that was the front door. Okay, yeah, that front door needed to go. Oh yeah, let's go look at the front doors. Let's go look at the front doors. Don't worry, everybody, we got the locks. The lock works for the patio door. Look at that, double front doors. Uh-huh. Woohoo. Hee hee. Oh, they have that kind of a lock. Okay. All right, I guess I take that back to Home Depot. Let's take a look. That's the guy who's responsible for everything. So anything you see wrong, you blame him. Look at that. Don't worry, we're gonna give his name later. Just remember, don't listen to him. He say anything I do. I didn't do shit. He did everything. It's all his fault. So anyways, all this is gonna be chained up. So the black is gonna be here, right?
Yes.
And then here?
All the trim, yes.
All the trim is gonna be black?
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's how we do it. Day number 49, Casa de Malouff. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. I may or may not have a video this afternoon, but if I don't, then this one will be the only one downloaded. You get to enjoy whatever it is. And, oh yeah, we got to put the windows in. So we will go from there. So enjoy. And Monday will be the next video. And that'll be my day 50. And we'll see where we're at with day 50. They might be finished. I don't think they will be, but they might be finished by day 50. So we'll see. Okay. Thanks for watching.